Shopify is providing a 90-day trial to their first-time customers, for the cost of $1 per month. To get started, simply click on the first link down below in the description. If you don't use the given below link, you might not see this offer, so make sure to use that link. The link will take you to this page. You can see that Shopify is providing a 3-month trial for just $1 per month. To claim this offer, you need to enter your email address here, and then click on Start Free Trial. Next, we need to confirm our country here. Next, you need to choose a password for your account. And then click Create My Shopify Account. Now Shopify will ask you a few questions. These are survey questions which will help Shopify with the quick setup. So answer them carefully. Next, Shopify will ask you to choose a plan for your store. You can skip this by clicking on this option. This will take you to the Shopify dashboard. And from here you'll be able to set up your entire store. Here on the bottom right you'll see the 3-month trial offer. To activate your 3-month trial, click on Select a Plan. To start out, the basic plan is the best option, so click Select Basic. On the right you'll see the exact plan details. You'll pay $1 every month for the next 3 months. And after 3 months it'll be $51 per month. Since my country is Canada, the currency showing here is Canadian dollar. If you are signing up from US, you will see the amount in your local currency, which should be around $39. And don't worry, during your trial you can always cancel your plan, so there's absolutely no risk. You'll also see this offer here which says that you'll get a 1% store credit on every sale. This is another cool feature that Shopify has added recently. Let's say you sold $100 worth of items through your store, which means you'll get $1 credit. Now if you sell $1,000 worth of items, you'll get $10 and so on. You can use these credits on your Shopify plan and on the Shopify App Store, which is a great money-saving feature. Alright, now choose your payment method and fill in your information. Then click Subscribe. And now you've successfully activated your 3-month trial for Shopify. If you want to know how to set up a complete Shopify store, click on this video right here, where I walk you through everything step by step. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.